That is the leader of B3, Big Booty Bitches, coming at you live.
You put some like elevator music in it.
Throw them dollars at them hoes. Throw them dollars at them hoes.
I feel so out of place. This thing's a rocket ship, dude. It's fun.
You're fun.
I've driven it one time. I think I had more fun riding in it though than driving.
You probably need to sell your car.
Dustin's ass said, you're fine.
Listen here, you little Peter Parker picture taking Pringle, how dare you say that?
Voices.
I want footage. Takes off.
Don't worry, guys. He's going to get on it here real soon.
I want footage. That's all he said.
We're back. We did it. I'm back finally. It's been a month. It's been a long time. We're going to Cars and Coffees, a small little video. We got a whole bunch of stuff coming. Basically, we're just going to like let Rashawn's car shine in this video. Drive around. That's about it, really. But we got a whole bunch of stuff coming with him and me. We'll get it going. So enjoy this, and we will catch y'all in the next videos. We got a bunch of stuff figured out. I'm back. I'm done with Seattle. I had to go help with work. And the baby stuff's been kind of slowing down. We got a lot of stuff done for them. So it's time to grind on these cars.